This is going to be a little tricky to film all by myself, but I'll do my best. I want to show you all of the supplies that I can use on this. In fact, I think I want it to be a little bit lower. It was made for travel, but since I could do a road trip, that's for sure. But that can be challenging in these times too. These times being the coronavirus. I have supplies in here. Now this is, I guess it could be really for long distance traveling too, because everything pretty much fits into this pouch. But to me, this is like a super deluxe version of what I would bring with me. This has a sponge and a plastic seal so that when these paints are wet, I can still transport them safely. Okay, and then that holds the plastic in, and I put it back in here. And here I have my 6 pigment palette. I have a cool and warm yellow. I have a warm and cool red. I have a warm and cool blue. So I can mix full palette with this. Mix right on there. Okay? All right. This is for my color wheel. This is a clip. I'll show you what that does later. There. There's another clip, one of those magnetic clips. They're great. This could be a water container. This can also be a water container. This will be an extra water container. This is an extra clip. In here is also my water. And I have a clip to put my brushes in, and also this to put my brushes in. I have my water atomizer, also my eyedropper. All very handy right there. Then in here, I have a couple of things. I always keep my travel brushes in a zip container because I really don't want to lose them. So let's say I'll just use this one. I can put it right there, and I keep track of which ones I have out of here, and I put this back in my bag. Okay, in here, this is my mixing palette. Right. Magnetically stays on. I'm going to be working with analogous or extended analogous and 2 complements, split complements. So I can set up my whole color scheme right there. And over here, I can put the palette I choose to use. I can either leave them in here or say I'm going to use those 3. Right? Now I can either put this away or I can leave it out there. So if I'm using more than 3 pigments, either way, it's very, very flexible as to what I can do there. Here, I have my color diamond, my color value diamond, which I can clip on there. I have my value scale. That's what this clip is for. I can put that either there or there. And then I have my color wheel, and this is all set up. This is the wrong template that I brought. This is for extended analogous with 3 complements, but you'll get the idea. And then I can just slip that right there, or, okay. Now in this bag, in this big bag, in addition to the palette, I have a whole supply of 5x7 inch pieces of watercolor paper, and I have my drying rack, which I will show you a little bit later. This will just be the preliminary film, how I can have an entire studio standing out here in my favorite cornfield. And the sun has gone away, so I will come back later this evening and film when I hope there's a beautiful glow, that beautiful warm glow as the sun is setting over the cornfield. So we'll try for that.